Hey again, YouTube. In this video I'm going to show you a few error notes, and I by no means am an expert on these, but I buy out collections whenever people call me, and in some collections someone has found or saved an error note over the years, and that usually comes with purchasing the collections. So in return I've developed a small little error note collection. I've actually about 3 weeks ago sent off two really nice errors to be graded at PMG, and they will not be included in this video, but I'll have a grading results video here in probably 2 months, something like that. It takes PMG quite a while to get the notes back. But when I say error note, it's basically a note that is not printed as it should be. And if you look in front of you here, it's pretty obvious there's something wrong. This is called a gutter fold. It's where the paper gets basically crinkled within the machine, within the roller, and it doesn't print, and then it gets unfolded. And you can see that it creates these pretty dramatic lines where there's no ink. And this is on a silver certificate. Notice there's no "In God We Trust" there. And this is a totally uncirculated note. It's a pretty cool one. 1935. And one of the books I don't have is the Error Note book from Fred Bart. I've never went out and purchased the thing, and I have no idea what these things are worth. You can get online and find values all over the place. But yeah, here's another silver certificate with pretty dramatic gutter on it. Apologize for the lack of focus there. So I don't really know what's going on. There we go. There's another gutter. Gutters are obviously the most common. This one's cool. Right across the face of Lincoln. Okay, now here's a real unique one. It's the serial number and seal's the third print. So this is like, I guess, an inverted third print is what it would be called, possibly. But if you look, the serial numbers and the seal and bureau stamp right there are all printed upside down. These can get very, very valuable if they're uncirculated, and obviously this is not. This is a pretty dingy note. I don't even remember what I paid or where I've acquired this. I've had this note a long time. But it's one of the real dramatic ones that you'll see that I've always wondered, how in the heck did this get circulated so much? Because somebody had to look at it and say, oh, that's not right. But they continued to circulate it and spend it. So it's from 1977, so it's seen some years. The last one here, this is a shift, a third print shift. And I actually, one of the notes I sent off that I'll show you here in a few months is a third print shift like this that's inverted, like the last note. So everything's shifted, then it's upside down. And that's like two errors in one, and those have a little bit more value to them. But this, it had a paper clip on it at some point. You can see the rust mark. But this is a really nice note, really cool note to see. It's an extra fine on the grade. It's got really big, huge margins. You can see the middle fold there, though. But anyway, that's a real quick video on some error notes that I have right here available, and maybe get everybody anxious to see a grading reveal video here in a few weeks. So thanks for watching.